Hello everyone, my name's Chris, and in this video tutorial we will learn the basic controls for VRQuest and learn how to launch a game. First, select the VRQuest icon from your desktop to launch the app. As you can see here, this is a fresh environment with no assets. To learn how to move, select Help and Game Keyboard Controls. Like many computer games, VRQuest uses the W, A, S, and D keys for movement. W will move you forward, A will move you left, S will move you back, and D will move you right. Shift will allow you to run in the game, and spacebar will allow you to jump. Next, we want to launch a sample game. Select File and Open. VRQuest comes with several sample games. Today we're going to select samplelevel.fpm. This is our sample game from a top-down perspective. To see your sample game from a first-person perspective, press F on your keyboard. Here you will be able to look around by holding the right-click button on your mouse and moving your cursor. Here we can also use the W, A, S, and D keys to move. This sample game is still in editor mode. To launch your sample game, select the rocket ship icon in the toolbar, which is the test game mode. Once the game is fully loaded, you will see a prompt to press your spacebar at the bottom of the screen. As you can see, we are now in your sample game. As before, you can use the W, A, S, and D keys to move around, Shift to run, and spacebar to jump. To leave test game mode, press Escape. This will bring you back to the game editor. If you have a connected VR headset, you can select the VR mode from the toolbar or Social VR for cooperative play.